Hey everyone, welcome to today's Dhann ki Baat. Let's start the today's analysis again with the Nifty. Again, Nifty managed to close the week on a positive note, a good candle on a weekly chart. On daily chart, it formed the sort of doji sort of candle, which again doji represents indecision in the market. But I think now let's look at the structure first. Structure is still positive, quite positive one can say, because we have been witness a good dip in last week, but again we managed to crossed above that particular candle. So I think going forward the structure will be positive. Now one need to look at on the price action levels, I think the supports and the resistance level, which will make an impact for your trading decisions. So I think going forward 15,700 will be a fantastic support, and the overall support lies somewhere around this level, which is this 15,600 levels, which is very important. 15,600 levels may act as a trend reversal signal also. If let's say we broke below 15,600 zone, then we may see some sort of more selling pressure comes in. So I think 15,600 will be a trend reversal level also. So one need to keep in mind, immediate support is 15,700, overall support is 15,600. Any dips again around these levels will be again buying opportunity, with keeping overall stop loss below 15,600. Now what are the resistance? See, resistors are very one can say, on the higher side it has the 15,900, 16,000 will be a stiff hurdle on the higher side, where one can lock their gains, those who bought on the downside, or those who will buy on any dip. So 16,000 will be a decent level to book the profit. After that we may again review the market and we will take out the level, but on the higher side 16,000 will be the profit booking level on the immediate basis. It's not like that we need to create the fresh short on the 16,000, because as such there is no indication of making shorts. But yes, like I said, below 15,600 we may see some sort of selling pressure comes in. So I think that is the level that one need to keep a radar on. So 15,700, 600 will be support, 15,900, 16,000 will be the immediate hurdle on the higher side. Now let's look at the Nifty Bank also. So if you look at the Nifty Bank was quietly underperforming. Not much participation has been witnessed from the Nifty Bank, where we were expecting a good outperformance from the Nifty Bank, but again it is missed. So I think going forward also again the same hurdle is coming somewhere around this level, which is 35,700. Now it seems that Nifty Bank it's still in the consolidation zone. It is still going, it is still trading in the some sort of the fixed range, which is 34,000 500, 34,400 on the downside, and 35,600, 700 on the higher side. So this is the, let's say 1,000 point range Nifty Bank has been formed, and it is though roughly trading in the same range. So I think going forward one need to keep a radar on this level. Like I said, 34,500, 34,400 on the downside, 35,600, 700 on the higher side. So this will be the supports and resistance for the Nifty Bank. Either side breakout will decide the final direction. Okay, the overall structure, now look at the structure perspective. Structure is quite positive at the moment, and we may use any dips will be again buying opportunity, but again that time one need to be very strict with the stop losses, which is 34,400. So in nutshell, Nifty Bank has support 34,400, 500, strong hurdle 35,600, 700. Now let's look at which sector looks good at the moment. So the sector that is on my radar for the next week is the Nifty Metal. Now let me show the chart first. Okay, if you can see in here, it has taken a fantastic support like we discussed in the last week also, and it has formed the sort of cup and handle breakout. इसमें थोड़ा सा कप एंड हैंडल ब्रेकआउट बना हुआ है, दो इट इज नॉट दो perfect one, but you can consider this. Okay, you can definitely consider this. So this is the cup and handle breakout has been seen in the Nifty Metal. Once we see a decisive move above 5425, right now it is trading somewhere around, it has taken the same hurdle 5421, 2125. So 5425 will be a breakout zone for Nifty Metal. Once we cross above 5425, then we may see a good traction in the metal stocks. Metal stocks has seen a surge, good surge in the Friday session. So I think the one need to keep a radar on the metal stocks. Now, what are the stock specific action that one need to keep a radar on when it comes to the metal? The first name that strikes my mind is the Tata Steel. Now if you can see in Tata Steel also has been seen some sort of a small breakout, not the big one, but a small breakout. Volume is again descent. Breakout level was somewhere around 1140, 1145 or was the breakout level. So I think on the immediate basis 1140 will be a strong support. On the overall basis 1100 will be a strong support. So until unless we are trading above 1100, we might have strength to go towards 1240 odd levels in the near term. So Tata Steel will be the first stock that I will keep a radar on. The another stocks which is looks quite good to me, which is again sale, Steel Authority of India. Again the breakout has been seen in the particular stock. That was the breakout level. Look at the volume activity. Volume is increasing with increasing price. A simple price action method. Again, one can say the structure is quite positive out here. Until unless it is trading above 127 on the immediate basis, it has the potential to reach 150 levels in the near term. Another stocks which will be JSPL. Let me share the chart. Again, Jspl, the same breakout has been seen out here too. Look at the volume activity. Again, like I said, most of the metal stock has seen a breakout on the Friday session. So I think again the stocks, now if you can ask me what are the supports, 410 would be immediate support. Until unless it is trading above that level, the structure is positive, we may head towards 440, 480 odd levels in the near term. And the last stock in the same space is the JSW still. Let me put the chart. Yeah, again the same setup here too. So again, the breakout is most of this stock has the similar stock of breakout in the metal pack. So I think volume activity is also witnessed. So I think metal pack would be the a very good sector that one need to keep a radar on for the coming week. Now, the next sector that one need to keep a radar on is the Nifty Pharma. Let me put the chart first. So again, if you can see Nifty Pharma too, it has given the breakout. Just a minute. So the breakout is like it has given the ascending triangle breakout. So this is the ascending triangle. Let me draw. Okay, so this is the ascending triangle. Okay, so it has given the breakout from the ascending triangle, and ascending triangle is again the bullish continuation pattern, which means that the existing trend will continue further. So I think until unless it is trading above 14,260, 14,250 odd levels, its structure is quite positive, and we may head more northward in the Nifty Pharma. So I think which stock that one need to keep a radar on. The first stocks which is on my mind is the Dr. Reddy. Let me put the chart. Yeah, so Dr. Reddy has been seen a very decisive breakout. If you can see, this is the cup and handle breakout also, one can say. Okay, cup and handle breakout has been seen on the Dr. Reddy chart. Okay, this is my handle, this is my cup. So I think this breakout is very strong, and this support that comes on the immediate basis is 5350. So those who are holding Dr. Reddy definitely can hold so for the further targets of somewhere around 5700 in the near term. So I think the 5350 will be immediate support. Overall support is 5200. If anyone wants to have anyone has the long position and they want to hold it for the long term, definitely they can hold with keeping stop loss below 5200 on daily closing basis, and we may see a very good levels on the higher side in the Dr. Reddy. So I think this is the first stock. The second stocks which has given in the which has given the breakout in the pharma space is the Glenmark Pharma. So I think the Glenmark Pharma, this was the breakout zone somewhere around 630 odd levels, and it got decisively broke. So I think until or unless Glenmark Pharma holding about 630, the structure is quite positive, and we may head towards 680, 700 levels on the higher side. The next stocks in the pharma space is the Cipla. If you can see, again the cup and handle breakout has been seen out here, and it has given the breakout too. So I think the Cipla will be on radar until unless it is trading above on the positional basis 930, 925 levels. Those who are holding Cipla, definitely they can also with keeping trailing stop loss at 925. and we may hit, if let's say 925 levels got held, and then we are good to go towards somewhere around 1050 odd levels in the near term. So I think the Dr. Reddy, Glenmark Pharma, Cipla are the best stock that one should look in the pharma space. So we have already discussed the two space. Now let's discuss these some of the stocks specific action. Not much stocks I will discuss today, only two stocks, that too on the positional front only. Let's have the first stock, which is NCC. Stock has given the triangle breakout, one can say. I will draw the triangle, just a minute. So it has given the triangle breakout on daily chart, and the volume activity was witnessed a very good on the daily chart. So I think the structure is valid. Once we see a decisive move about 92, it will get active, and we may head towards 100 and 110 odd levels in the near term. Now the stop loss, the pattern stop loss somewhere coming around 80 rupees. So if those who are holding and they are comfortable with the stop loss of 80, definitely they can hold for the targets of 110. So I think NCC will be a positional pick, not the, one can say, the intermediate. It may take time, 1 month or 3 months, let's say, but NCC looks good on the charts. The another pick is the from same name is NBCC. So again, NBCC has been seen the cup and handle breakout on daily chart. The breakout was massive. Look at the volume activity that has been seen. It is little bit extended one, and look at the volume activity, which makes me more you know interesting. Look at the volume, a spike in the volume that I always hunt for. And this was the breakout zone. So breakout has happened somewhere around 51, 52 odd levels. It is trading at 55. So I think those who are holding, definitely they can hold. So here again the positional structure looks good. Don't buy for the trading perspective. It may take time, or it may give the targets soon. So 47, 48 will be your final stop loss if you are buying. So if you are comfortable with the stop loss, definitely you can hold these stocks. And on the higher side, that level that one need to keep a radar on is 65, 75 odd levels. So that would be the target on the higher side. But again, those who wants to buy fresh, definitely they need to wait for any dip somewhere around 50, 51 level. That would be a good level to buy. But those who are holding, definitely they can hold. So that's all from our side. We have discussed Nifty Bank, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma, NCC, NBCC. So these are the stocks, these are the sector that one can keep a radar on for the coming week or the near or short term perspective. And thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.